In this video, you will learn how to disable sensitive content on Telegram. So you can do that on your Android device or iOS device. First of all, after you open up your phone now, go and open any browser on your phone. After you open any browser, all you have to do now, you can go and tap on this search and search for Telegram Lab like this. So after you search for this Telegram Lab, as you can see now, tap on this section web.telegram.org. Here is the first website, so tap on it. So as you can see now it will open this website for you. As you can see now, here it says sign into Telegram. So now you can tap on this section to select your country, or you can tap and type in your phone number in this section, or you can scroll to down and tap on this login by QR code to scan a QR code if you have it. So I'll just go and sign into my Telegram app now. So as you can see now, I sign into my Telegram. As you can see, here is now my Telegram. Here is all my messages. So now you can tap on this menu at the top left side. After you tap on this menu, now you can scroll to down and tap on this settings. After you open these settings, all you have to do now is scroll to down and tap on this. Go to this privacy and security. So in this privacy and security, now you can scroll all the way to down. As you can see, here is the option now. Here it says sensitive content. So tap on this, check on this option, disable. So as you can see now, here it says disabling sensitive content in public channel on all your Telegram devices. So now you stop showing all sensitive content on your Telegram app. That's it guys for today's video. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.